Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy a lesson from one Kajabi course to another. This is incredibly useful when you're reorganizing your content or want to reuse high-quality lessons across multiple courses without recreating them from scratch. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to kajabi.com and sign in to your Kajabi account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your course management tools are accessible. This is your central hub for everything related to your online courses and products. Next, look to the left sidebar menu and click on Products. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, select Courses. This takes you to a page displaying all the courses you've created in your Kajabi account, making it easy to manage and organize your content. Now, under the Courses page, locate the course that contains the lesson you want to copy. On the right side of each course listing, you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear. From this menu, select Duplicate. This action creates a complete copy of your course, which serves as a backup and makes it easier to extract specific lessons without affecting your original course structure. Once the course has been duplicated, it's time to add your lesson to the target course. Select the course you want to add your lessons to and open its overview page. Here, click on the Add Content button. An expanded menu will appear with several options for adding new material. Choose Import from another course. This powerful feature allows you to pull content directly from one course into another, saving you significant time and effort. An import menu will appear on your screen. You'll be prompted to fill in three key fields. Select a course, choose a module, and choose a lesson or quiz. Work through these fields carefully, selecting the duplicated course, the specific module containing your lesson, and finally, the exact lesson you want to import. Once you've made your selections, click on Import. Your lesson will now appear in your target course, ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a lesson from one Kajabi course to another using the duplication and import features. This method keeps your content organized while giving you flexibility in how you structure your courses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.